allow their past experiences to determine what their possibilities are. Whatever you've done in the past, that's not a reflection of your possibilities. That's just a reflection of your consciousness. That's just a reflection of your development and your growth. The future is unfolding for you right now. The future is unlimited for you right now. No one knows where you can go. No one knows what you're capable of or what's possible for you.
Can you be weak and strong at the same time? Yes, but I say be strong. Train your physical strength and exercise your mental strength by doing the right things, the hard things. The things you know you're supposed to do. Do them. And be as strong as you can, mentally, physically, and emotionally, for yourself, for your team, for your family. Hold the line and be strong.
Before we know it, we become something that we're not. And so many people in this world, they're living a life that's not theirs. But what I mean by that is that they're living a life that someone else gave them. They're living a life that pain gave them. They're living a life that depression gave them. They're living a life that a failed dream gave them. And they end up becoming that. That is not your identity, people. You got to get back to the core of your being. You got to get back to yourself.
But when you decide what's most important to you, your brain goes after it. If you don't know exactly what you want, or you let yourself get beyond that to something general, you're not going to achieve it. Clarity is power. The more clear you are about exactly what it is you want, the more your brain
All right, we're gonna go ahead and start. I had previously marked up the monthly for gold, but it looked like it made a new low. If you look at the month, the monthly chart on gold, and see how long it's been trending up. This is the first time we had red candles on gold since October 2023. So gold is making a correction. So your monthly high for gold should be 47.29.95. It made a new low. So the low should be 45.60.40. And the second month of the second quarter of the year. So we got the monthly high, 47.29. We got 95. The monthly low, 45.60.40. Hey. $46, $45.17 is the mid-month. Your weekly high is 46.92.21. Your weekly low is 45.92.86. So we got the weekly high 46.92.21. We got the weekly low 45.92.86. Given a mid-month level of resistance at 46.42.54. So that's how your gold chart should look for your support and resistance on gold. We got three daily dojis on gold. So right now, gold price is in like an unpredictable area for price. It seems like gold right now is rejecting this area right here, which is the level of resistance. That midweek, mid-month area is where gold is rejecting off of. We had a sell trend from this order block here on gold, and it's respecting this level of resistance right here. So I will wait before I got into a sell and wait for it to reject this area up here. But so just seeing that gold right now, the weekly candle, we got another sell candle opening up on a week. So I'm anticipating for gold to be selling this week. On a daily, we showing price to be unclear. Just these dojis right here, 1, 2, 3 dojis. Price is showing unclear price action on gold.
Come in.
So we're showing price to be
Back up.
unclear on gold.
Back up.
So we're gonna go over to US30.
Back up. Stay right back up. Let's see. Don't leave the water running.
US30 made a new high on a monthly. So your monthly low should be 49,899.7. Your monthly high should be 49,991.8. The high 49,991.8. The low 47,899.7. Given a mid-month area of support of 48,945.8. Your weekly low is 48,834.3. Your weekly high, 49,676.7. The high, 49,676.7. The low, 48,834.3. Given a mid-month level of support at 49, midweek level of support, sorry, 49,255.5. US30 right now is in a weekly sell order block. But we still got it opening up on above the mid-month and above the midweek. So it can definitely come up and retrace this high up here, because it's in that sell area. That area of sell on a daily and a weekly order block is in an area of sell on US30. This is where it sold from last time it came into this area. And it was a heavy sell area. And it's showing like it's showing some rejection from here in this area. If you can see, this is aura rejection. Like price is unclear. Right now we're seeing it selling on a 4-hour. Past 4, 8, 12, 24 hours, it's been selling. If it breaks this midweek, that will confirm your sell direction, that price is gonna continue to sell. Because just at the area that is at, I'm anticipating for US30 to start selling. It's the third. So. Nas made a new high as well. So the monthly low for Nas, we got our strong volume candle on Nas, and the low for Nas is 25,134.84, and we got the new high for Nas at 27,827.92.
The wires, relax.
So the high is 27,827.92.
Move that long wire to the side.
25,134.84.
No. Move that to the side so it doesn't fall. Move that.
We got the mid-month level of support at 26. 481.33. So the weekly and the monthly high right now for NAS is the same. NAS is likely gonna break that high. Just where it's sitting at and how it opened up for the month. The monthly low, the weekly low is 26,702.01.
Yo, shut up, damn, do it.
We got the high at 27,827.92. We got the low 26,702.01. This is a new overall high that NAS is at right now. And it don't look like it's coming down no time soon. Just the volume that it's opening up with for the week and a month. And it's moving in. The mid-week level of support is 27,264. $27,264.96. Still trending, still going. Broke past the mid-month, broke past the mid-week. Nas is going. I will wait for it to pull back some for an entry, and I would not enter out of session. I know it's moving, but don't be scared to miss out on the trend. You see how this thing is trending, and you see the way it's moving. And being that it has no indication of how high it's going, I would definitely wait for it to pull back. Don't be too anxious to just enter the trade just because you see it going, because it's no direction of how high it's going to go. Because it's constantly making new highs. So you want to wait for it to pull back before you enter in the trade. So I would definitely wait into New York session to see if you got an area pullback before I enter into NAS. Bye. Like I was telling you, Bitcoin is heading back up. To see the new month for Bitcoin. Bitcoin made a new high for the month. We got the new monthly high for Bitcoin at 80,069, 80,069 is the new high for Bitcoin. So 80,069 is the high. The low is 73,758.09. So that means Bitcoin jumped up about 6,000 in the past month, in the month that started. So it's definitely moving back up. We got the mid-month level of support at 76 US30 Got the weekly and the monthly high the same right now. The weekly low is 75,894.03. So we got the high, the weekly and the monthly high at 80,069. And a low at 75,894.03. Giving a midweek level of support at 77,981.52. So right now we're showing Bitcoin on a nice trend. It's rejecting the mid-month area. It's above the mid-month and above the mid-week. So we will be looking for buys here on Bitcoin. Wait for it to pull back towards your trend to enter in for a buy. It definitely broke above this 4-hour order block. But you see, we're in alignment with the overall daily trend. Actually been trending up for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. So we still going. Like I was telling y'all, when you take a buy on Bitcoin, take a buy in your wallet as well as in the charts. So just a quick recap. We're going to be taking buys on Bitcoin. Wait for a pullback. Take that buy during London. Session. Right around here is where you want to take the buy for Bitcoin. For gold, gold has been selling. And we are in a sell trend for gold. Our price is here, rejecting this area here, rejecting the level of is resisting that respecting that resistance area on the midweek, mid-month. I will be looking for a sell right around this rejection area for gold. And I will also take that during London session. You know, my entry usually around 6 a.m. US30 is within a weekly bearish order block. So, but we still have a buy candle that opened up above the mid-month and above the midweek. on a monthly and a weekly. While I'm anticipating sales, it very well may reject this area of support and continue this buy. So I would not touch US30 before New York. This is the area right here that we're looking for it to reject from. We got it pulling back. Yes, it's in a weekly bearish order block, a daily and a weekly bearish order block. But it can very well reject off of this level of support and continue for the buy, just based off of how the week opened up and how the month opened up. We got a doji flat on the monthly chart. It can very well continue this buy on US30. For Nas also will be a buy. I would tell you to wait until the pullback for Nas. Do not try to hop in as it's moving, you see it moving up right now, because Nas is going to pull back before it continues up. So let it pull back some before you enter. We got a smooth trend on Nas. Smooth daily trend on Nas. Right around here for the buy for Nas. Bitcoin is pulling back right around here during London session for the buy on Bitcoin. That's the area you're looking to enter at for Bitcoin for the buy. Now, I still have my bot going. I have tested right now I have it running on US30 and gold. Let me share the back testings, which I ran a 6-month back test for US30. Let me show you. Ran a 6-month back test for US30. This is the back test. It came back after 6 months. So you can see I ran it from November up until April. Total trades. It shows the wins and losses based off the strategy, my strategy. Also ran a 6-month back test for gold. This is what it did for gold. When I'm running my back test, I'm only doing like a risking low risk, like only risking like a 10% risk on the trade. So that's what these are the profits based off of me risking like a minimal amount of risk. So I do this just to run the test to see how the bot will work. It is from November until April. I know you can't see the months in this picture, but it's from November up until April on a minimal risk. This was the 6-month back testing for gold. So it's basically running a strategy on autopilot right now on US30 and on gold. I will be testing it on other pairs and see how it runs on other pairs. Right now is in forward motion for the bot, for the DIRTY30 bot is in forward testing. Just kind of trying to make y'all lives easy and take the thinking out of trading. So, any questions before we end out? So no questions. We're gonna go ahead and end this call. Let's have a profitable week. Y'all already know what it is. Over and out. Let's get this bread, y'all.